Welcome to Lesson 2 of our Microsoft Official Academic course for Excel 2016. Lesson 2 is working with Microsoft Excel. In this lesson, we will be covering these skills. We have 6 skills for this lesson. Number 1 is creating workbooks, 2 is saving workbooks, then we have entering and editing basic data in a worksheet, then using data types to populate a worksheet, and then cutting, copying and pasting data. And the 6th skill is editing a workbook's properties. As you can see from the table, these skills are linked with some exam objectives. As you know that this course is for the preparation of Microsoft Excel exam 77-727. Every skill is connected with an exam objective in this course. Let's have some recall about the basic elements on an Excel window. This image is showing the title bar where you see the name of the Excel workbook that is open. This is book 1. This is the title of the Excel workbook. Then we have command tab bar, which include file, command tab, home, insert, page layout and others. And below that is the ribbon. This broad area is the ribbon which contains different command icons separated into different groups. These are the group labels: clipboard, font, alignment. And in each group, if you see this corner, so for some groups you see an icon which is command dialog box launcher, but in some you won't see. This means that this command dialog box launcher can open can present some other commands to you for alignment other than the commands shown here. But if you do not see it, it means that in the styles group you have these options that are available, that are displayed here in the ribbon. Below the ribbon you have this name box which shows the address of the position of the active cell. This is the formula bar where any text or number or formula entered in a cell is displayed here in this formula bar. Now this table shows that every skill has some skill tasks. For the first skill, we have task create workbook from scratch. For the second skill, saving workbooks, we have 5 skill tasks, and in the same way every skill has some skill tasks, and these skill tasks are actually tasks that we will perform during the course of this lesson to master these skills which are defined under each lesson. So our current skill that we are working on is creating workbooks, and you can create the workbooks in 3 different ways. You create a blank workbook, a brand new workbook, open a blank workbook and insert your data and do the analysis that you want to do. Use an existing workbook which is saved on your computer, open it and either add some additional data, edit it, or erase the previous data and write something new in it. Or you can, third option is you can use a template. As I explained in lesson 1, you can use some standard templates available in Excel, or you can search some templates online as well and use them to create your new workbooks. We will now do the skill task step by step. Let's move to Excel. This is our Excel screen. So from this command tab, click file. This will take us to the backstage, and we will open a blank workbook. By default, active cell is A1. Let's write some data here. If I press enter, my cursor moves to cell below my previous cell. Enter some other text also. This text is available in your manuals. Please refer to that. Center. You can open multiple workbooks at a time. So go to File tab and click New and click on this blank workbook. So now you are in a new workbook. You can add some data here. Let's add some data here. So this was to demonstrate that you can open multiple workbooks and use them. So your other workbook is also open. This is book 3, which you were working on previously, and this is book 4. As you can see, Excel by default has given some name. Since your open workbook was book 3, when you open new workbook, it is named as book 4. You can, while saving, you can change this name, of course. So this was only for demonstrations. We don't need to save this. You can close book 4 without saving. So select this, don't save, and now you're back in your book 3. So you can leave this workbook open for our next exercise.